Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhavle Pallavi and our today's topic name is static keyword in Java. So what is mean by static keyword and what is used for static keyword? So static keyword present in the Java which we have used to create a constant variable. A static keyword which is used to create a memory management, and it is applied with object, methods, classes, block, and uh, variables. We can apply static keyword with the help of method, then it is called as static method. We can apply static keyword only in our class. We don't do not apply static keyword in uh, main class. We can only apply with the inner class. So static keyword creates a only single copy of object and share multiple create a single copy of object and share among the instances. If you want to create more than copy of object, then you can create more object, but it's having only single copy of object. And static keyword assign the memory when class is loaded into the memory. And then static keyword are used to also called as class variable. Suppose we can if we have static variable, then we can also called as class variable. Then we have static class, then we static method, then we can call static class method. Then static variable, suppose static variable means they can create only single copy which is used to multiple object. Suppose I will give you some 2-3 examples of static variable. Suppose in a single college name are same for all student, means many student present in the college, but college name is static and it is create multiple object of student copies. Suppose and then another example of suppose company have multiple employees, but it is a common property of all employees. Then the static variable creates a single copy of object. Then whenever it create object, then static variable are uh, assigned to the memory of in the class variable. And when we create an object of any class, then it will goes to the heap memory. So one example of static memory, suppose we can create a 3 object in one class, and then first object of it's called as static. Then we can create his multiple copy of our program, but the value of same. And if we give the value of different type of value, then it cannot be success. It override the first value to second variable. Means that we can only create a single copy of object. We cannot change the value of multiple times of object. Then static variables we can use with the help of method, uh, save the memory. So its advantages of static memory, it is used to save the memory and efficient program. And then uh, whenever we want to create a single copy of object, then we can use the static keyword. The static keyword in Java is we cannot use the super keyword or final keyword in the static memory. They in the static keyword, the memory is allocated whenever the class area. That's all about static variable, static keyword. Thank you.